Built with cutting-edge technology and with the utmost care, Cosmo brings you beautiful premium range hoods at an affordable price. Expect cooking and cleaning experiences that make life easier, brighten up your kitchen, and protect your health. Efficient airflow, 380 CFM removes smells and odors with ease for a clean kitchen. Duct range hood vents outside and away from your home. Optional carbon filter kit available for ductless purchase part #CFK1TM, sold separately. Noise level as low as 45 dB on lowest fan speed with rigid ducting, sold separately, under optimal conditions. Range hood comes with flexible ducting for convenient installation. Easy to clean filters. Cosmo Arc Flow permanent filters are dishwasher safe and extremely durable. No need to replace these filters, simply drop in the dishwasher for easy maintenance and cost savings. Energy-efficient lights. The energy-efficient, 2-watt LEDs are long-lasting and provide bright, high-lumen lighting for better visibility at night. 2-year limited parts. Our customer support team is based proudly in the USA. Dimensions, 35 inches. W, x 19.75 inches. D, x adjustable 25.6 inches. 39.4 inches. H, electrical, 120V/60 Hz, 3-prong plug. Duct size, 6 inches. Make a style statement as you quickly clear the air of grease, smoke, and odor to keep your home fresh and odor-free with Cosmo's COS 63190 modern canopy wall mount range hood. Experience premium brushed stainless steel, built to withstand high heat, grease, oil, and steam. Thick stainless is used all around to fight against accidental bumps and dents. Our wall mount range hood includes a seamless chimney set on all 3 sides for cleaner lines. Cook without unwanted odors and harmful air pollutants from disturbing your home. Contemporary styling is used for modern kitchen decors and an upscale luxury feel. Trust Cosmo for your next kitchen appliance.